A well-lit vanity mirror is essential for a flawless makeup application. The right lighting not only enhances your features but also helps you achieve precise and professional makeup results. Whether you're a makeup artist or someone who enjoys perfecting your look every day, investing in quality vanity mirror lights is a must. The right lighting can make all the difference, offering you the perfect ambience to apply makeup, style your hair, or even perform skincare routines. Number 1. Mount Light LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. The Mount Light LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit is one of the most popular lighting solutions for makeup enthusiasts. This kit includes a set of 10 high-quality LED bulbs that you can attach directly to your vanity mirror, offering ample brightness to illuminate your face while applying makeup or doing your hair. The bulbs feature a dimmable function, allowing you to adjust the brightness to your preference, and they offer a warm white light, which is ideal for achieving the most natural look. The Mount Light LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit is easy to install, as the bulbs are equipped with adhesive backing, so no tools are required. The lights are energy efficient and have a long lifespan, ensuring that they will provide consistent, bright lighting for years. With the option to choose from USB-powered or AC-powered options, this set is versatile enough to work in any space. The Mount Light LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit offers a customizable lighting experience with 10 dimmable LED bulbs that provide a warm white light. Perfect for makeup application, the bulbs allow you to adjust the brightness to your liking. The easy installation process involves no tools, as the adhesive backing lets you stick the lights directly to your mirror. Designed to be energy efficient, these LEDs will last for years, making this set an affordable and long-lasting solution for your beauty space. Number 2. Kedsum LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. The Kedsum LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit offers an innovative approach to vanity mirror lighting with its flexible, 20-foot strip of bright and durable LEDs. This kit allows you to completely surround your mirror with light, providing uniform illumination that eliminates shadows and gives you a flawless reflection for makeup application. The Kedsum LED lights feature an adjustable dimmer and color temperature settings, so you can choose between cool, warm, or neutral light, depending on the time of day or your makeup needs. This LED strip is perfect for those who need a more customizable lighting setup. The sticky backing makes installation a breeze, and the USB-powered design ensures that you can use the lights anywhere in your home. The Kedsum LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit is an excellent choice for those who want an affordable and versatile lighting option that offers consistent brightness and flexibility. The Kedsum LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit features a 20-foot strip of flexible LED lights that can be wrapped around your mirror for full illumination. With adjustable color temperature settings, you can choose from cool, warm, or neutral light to achieve the perfect makeup ambience. The dimmable function lets you control the brightness, while the USB-powered design makes it easy to set up. The easy installation with sticky backing ensures a hassle-free process, providing you with a professional lighting setup without the need for tools. Number 3. Glow LED Vanity Mirror Lights. The Glow LED Vanity Mirror Lights are designed to provide professional-level lighting for home use, offering a high-quality illumination that mimics daylight. This set includes 10 energy-efficient LED bulbs that are dimmable, giving you control over the brightness and allowing you to adjust it based on your preference. The cool white light provided by these LEDs is perfect for makeup application, as it closely resembles natural daylight, making it easier to apply makeup with precision. The Glow LED Vanity Mirror Lights come with a simple installation kit, featuring sticky adhesive backing for quick and easy attachment to your mirror. These lights are powered by USB or AC, so you can choose the best power source for your setup. The Glow LED lights are also highly durable, offering a long lifespan and low energy consumption, making them a great investment for those who want reliable and high-quality lighting. The Glow LED Vanity Mirror Lights provide professional-level lighting with 10 energy-efficient LED bulbs that emit cool white light, ideal for makeup application. The dimmable function lets you control the brightness, while the USB AC power design offers flexibility for different setups. These lights are easy to install with sticky adhesive backing, ensuring a quick and simple process. With durability and low energy consumption, the Glow LED Vanity mirror lights provide a high-quality and long-lasting lighting solution for your beauty space. Number 4 Kiss-In LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. The Kiss-In LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit is designed for those who want to create a glamorous, professional-looking vanity setup. This kit includes 10 LED bulbs that are easy to install with sticky tape, making it a convenient and mess-free solution for vanity lighting. The Kiss-In LED lights are adjustable, allowing you to choose your desired brightness and color temperature, giving you control over the lighting to suit different tasks or times of day. With a warm white glow, the Kiss-In LED Vanity Mirror lights provide soft, flattering lighting that is perfect for makeup application, skincare routines, or hairstyling. The bulbs are also energy efficient and have a long lifespan, ensuring that you won't need to replace them frequently. The Kiss-In LED lights are available with USB or AC power options, giving you more flexibility to set them up anywhere. The Kiss-In LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit offers 10 LED bulbs that provide even and flattering lighting with a warm white glow. The adjustable brightness and color temperature allow for customization, making it perfect for makeup, skincare, or hairstyling. The easy installation with adhesive backing ensures a quick setup, and the energy-efficient design provides long-lasting use with low energy consumption. Whether you prefer USB or AC power, the Kiss-In LED lights offer a convenient and versatile lighting solution for your vanity. Number 5 Lily LED Vanity Mirror Light Strip. The Lily LED Vanity Mirror Light Strip is a versatile lighting solution that allows you to transform any mirror into a well-lit vanity area. The 16.4-foot LED strip is designed to be installed around your mirror's edges, providing even and bright illumination that enhances every aspect of your makeup routine. The Lily LED strip allows you to adjust the color temperature and brightness using a remote control, offering a highly customizable experience. This light strip comes with a high-quality adhesive backing, which makes installation incredibly easy. The Lily LED Vanity Mirror Light Strip is also energy efficient, using low-power LEDs that last longer and consume less energy compared to traditional lighting options. Whether you're doing your makeup, styling your hair, or just getting ready for the day, this lighting strip ensures that you get the perfect illumination. The Lily LED Vanity Mirror Light Strip features a 16.4-foot LED strip, perfect for surrounding your mirror with even illumination. The adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow you to tailor the lighting to your needs, while the remote control operation provides convenient control over the settings. Installation is quick and easy with the adhesive backing, and the energy-efficient LEDs ensure long-lasting use with minimal power consumption. This light strip is an excellent choice for those who want to transform their mirror into a well-lit, functional vanity space. Conclusion: investing in the right vanity mirror lights can completely transform your makeup routine. Whether you're looking for a dimmable LED kit, a flexible light strip, or a professional-grade mirror lighting solution, the Mount Light, Kedsum, GLOUE, Kiss-In, and Lily LED Vanity Mirror lights offer a range of options for every preference and budget.